Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hope you all are fine and well at home. So, in continuation of our previous lecture, in which we already discussed the formation of insulin from pancreas and then the disorder, the disease that developed, the diabetes mellitus. Now, in this video, we are going to discuss the test that what is the test to detect the measure the amount of glucose concentration in the blood. So, as we know, the normal blood glucose concentration is 80 to 120 milligram per 100 ml of the blood, that is maintained by the insulin. All right, we have already discussed that in the previous lectures. So, today we will see the blood glucose concentration test, the abbreviated as BGC. It is the amount of glucose in the blood. It is the test that is performed to detect the amount of glucose in the blood. So it is used to diagnose the diabetes. So there are some conditions on which the blood glucose is measured, like we can measure just after taking the meal or on the fasting basis. So there are two conditions. The person will be having a fast, like he or she has not eaten or taken any meal from night, so he is doing fast from 8 to 10 hours. That is, the after 8 to 10 hours of fasting, the blood glucose concentration is detected, is measured. Okay, if it is measuring, let us first discuss the fasting condition. If a person blood is giving 70 to 90 milligram of amount of glucose concentration per 100 ml, so this is the normal condition. And if the person's blood is giving 100 to 125 milligram of amount of the glucose concentration per 100 ml, it will be diagnosed as the pre-diabetic condition. Then again, the third condition, that is the if it exceeds from 125 milligram, that is 126 milligram and so on per 100 ml and above, whatever the number we get, it will be diagnosed as the diabetic condition. The second condition, 100 to 120 milligram, that we discussed, is the pre-diabetic condition. That person is now going, very soon he is going to have the diabetes mellitus. The second condition of the blood glucose concentration test, that is just after taking the meal, 2 hours after a 75 gram glucose drink or whatever the meal we are taking, it is going to convert into the glucose, because we are taking the carbohydrates in our food, and that will eventually convert into the glucose. So if the BGC test give less than 140 milligram per 100 ml, it will diagnosed as the normal condition. And from 140 to 200 milligram of per 100 ml, it will be diagnosed as the pre-diabetic condition. Over 200 milligram per 100 ml will be a diabetic condition, that the person is suffering from diabetes mellitus. So here our lecture comes to an end. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Like and subscribe my channel.